We're at Rocket Car Wash here on 84th. We're going to check out Jesse's Car Wash. 84th, we're in LaVista. Jess, the kid that's running the thing, did you scan the coupon? I'm like, huh? I'm supposed to just give it to you. Anyway, he didn't even know who you were. I was like, well, he probably works way before you even get here. So that shit, pretty cool, pretty cool. Oh, look at that logo. Rocket Car Wash logo go across the windshield. That's pretty nice touch, Jess. Get the hell out of my van. A lot of soap, a lot of soap. Ooh, straight down. Wow. It's like a lot of maintenance to maintain this thing. A lot of maintenance to maintain this thing, it looks like. 160 mile an hour winds, it says. Let's see. That is some wind, Jess. Not tubes. Tire shine, all right. Oh shit. Oh, look at this. Pretty good car wash there, I'd say. You guys got something going on out here. Later on.